The last year was important for us regarding funding, regarding publications, and also translation to society. Regarding funding, we got one very big project, which was the network for research in cardiovascular diseases of the Instituto de Salud Carlos III. I'm the scientific director of that network, and we have two programs that are directed from this center, one on ischemic heart disease and the other one on aortic diseases and aortic aneurysm. And each of these two programs involves 15 groups from the rest of Spain. In addition to this, we won different grants, 4 grants, from the Instituto de Salud Carlos III for projects, and also one grant from Marató TP3. And we continued the execution of different grants that we had obtained from the European Union in previous years. We published more than 70 papers with a total impact factor of over 400 points, 430 or something like that. So it is difficult to pinpoint the most important works, but we published important papers that I think that will be of great impact in different areas, including aortic pathologies, with an important paper on the long-term evolution of aortic dissection, about the anticoagulation and antiplatelet therapy in patients with coronary stents, and about the mechanisms of cardioprotection in post-conditioning in patients with acute myocardial infarction. During 2012, we were able to translate to the society part of the results we have obtained, and in particular we were able to participate in different international guidelines, but also we published 2 patents, one on a new biomarker that was obtained through NMR spectroscopy of human samples to detect acute coronary syndromes, and another one which consists of a new method to inhibit adverse remodeling in patients with large infarcts through inhibition of microRNA. Our future research plans are based on the implementation of new tools that we consider of great importance. The first one is the opening of a biobank collection of samples for the study of different heart conditions. The second one is the further use and potentiation of omics and systems biology, including proteomics, metabolomics, genomics. The third tool will be imaging in different modalities. With these tools, we will approach different scientific problems in cardiovascular research. We will develop methods to implement a more personalized cardiology and the implementation of genetic studies for different conditions. We will also provide solutions to the treatment of patients with cardiovascular disease in advanced age or in the presence of multiple comorbidities. We will also develop new tools to prevent myocardial injury and to improve repair and recovery of heart function after acute coronary syndromes and infarction, and to prevent heart failure and arrhythmias in these patients. And we hope to be able to implement a more closer cooperation during the next year with other groups within this research institute to use more patient-centered cardiovascular research approach, taking into account that in many cases cardiovascular problems also involve different organs and systems, and that only with a close cooperation with other groups we will be able to successfully approach these complex problems.